It's no secret that LandFX has a great database of blocks to use in your design process. What you may not know is that we are continually improving and adding to this library. Since our blocks are cloud-based, each time you open your block library, it will automatically be updated with any new blocks that you didn't have before. LandFX is not going to replace or get rid of any blocks that already exist in your folder structure, so without even knowing it, you might not have the latest and greatest blocks at your disposal. Let's show you how easy it is to get our newest blocks. One quick way to tell if you've been using the newer blocks in your design is to turn on the Site Color tool. This will automatically turn on a color layer that has been applied to all of our blocks. If you see some that are not colored, that is a pretty good indicator that you are using an old version of that block. You can also simply open the Blocks tool and view the preview slides to any section of blocks. If old blocks exist, you will notice the same preview slide multiple times with different block names. The new naming standard is set up for better content growth and organization, while allowing the old blocks to remain. To remove the unwanted blocks and ensure you are getting the new blocks, navigate to your LandFX folder into the appropriate block folder you wish to view. Select all items within that folder and delete them. Make note that if you have saved your custom blocks within these folders, you will need to back them up to a safe place temporarily so you don't delete them. Just know we do not have copies of them. After deleting all files, save your custom blocks back into the appropriate location and restart CAD. Navigate to the block location where you previously deleted all files from, and you will see a revised, cleaner set of preview slides. Select one and place it into your drawing, and it will automatically download into your LandFX folder. Repeat these steps on any block folder you would like, ensuring that you are left with the latest and greatest blocks LandFX has to offer. This power tip has been brought to you, the user, bringing efficiency to your workflow.